Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to another video. And today we will teleport. No, I'm just kidding. We will not be teleporting. We will be doing something cool. Like playing with our fidget spinners. This is my new fidget spinner. One's supposed to be here today or tomorrow. And I'm going to make a video about it. So you'll get to see a new fidget spinner. Yeah. That is really cool. And this is my collection of fidget spinners so far. I made a one. Of fidget things. Fidget cube. Another fidget spinner. And this is probably shaking, so I'm not. Okay, I'm somewhere different. And this is blue one. This is camo one. It's not very good. It's not very good at all. You did not see anything. Okay, well, today we are going to time my fidget spinners. So let me get my phone to time them. Okay, I got my phone and I'm getting ready to time them. I'm going to time my camo fidget spinner first. My camo fidget spinner is horrible. 50 seconds. Really? You let me down. I thought this would spin longer. Okay. Next, we got this cool one right here. Okay, I'm getting ready to time it. 3, 2, 1.